finder technology, key replacement warranty. Would it be useful? Absolutely, it'd be useful.
If my car came with key finder technology and a key replacement warranty, I would find this quite beneficial because I did recently lose my key, and it would have been much easier than trying to retrace my steps and then having to have my husband come bring me a spare to just be able to use the technology to be able to find the key.
I would absolutely find this technology useful. I use Tile as it is, and I'm always looking for my keys, and it is very useful to find them.
I would find this technology, for the fact that my car came with this already as part of the purchase package, really, really valuable. I have replaced keys multiple times, either from people losing it when they've borrowed my car or from myself losing it, the keys, or locking myself in. So if there was a way to avoid locking myself in the car, that would be helpful too.
I am a forgetful person. I have lost my car keys multiple times, and car keys can be very expensive.
It makes them feel like smart keys, so to speak. So yeah, that's definitely would be worth the investment, especially because keys are expensive. I think my key costs about $300 to replace, if I'm not mistaken. So that's definitely an investment that's worth purchasing.
I currently use a Apple Tag to keep track of my keys, but I do like the idea that they would cover the cost of the replacement of the keys if you lose them. That's one thing the Apple Tag doesn't do.
My family, my husband and I both lose our car keys pretty often.
I have two little kids, and they love playing with keys, and more than one occasion they've gotten lost.
Son's constantly losing our keys. We end up finding them eventually, but it's a pain.
So I feel like the only time that I really lose my keys are when I'm like in a hurry and need to go somewhere right now.
It seems like I always lose my keys whenever I'm in a rush, so it's always super stressful.
It was emotionally draining because I had a meeting that I had to be at in a prompt time. I didn't have much time to really go and try to look for where my keys were, so I was scavenging everywhere. I was looking everywhere. My thoughts were everywhere.
It is the worst feeling in the world when you lose your keys.